Yo, what's up, Molibwanje ba Zambia? Ine, Dilubuino, Tina Nanga Titi, Dimankala Kuno ku USA Koma, Dimachogera ku Botswana. I haven't said that in a long time. That's Chichewa, and I know it can work somewhat in Zambia. So, hey, Dilubuino, Molibwanje, guys, welcome back. If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you know you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I have one of the biggest artists out there in Zambia today, NowThat'sReaction. Okay, so yeah, he's one of my favorite artists. I've reacted to so many of his other songs on the other channel. If you know, you know. You know what I mean? Mumaziwa. Mumaziwa, my favorite artist. So anyway, let's get to it.
All power belongs to I.
Chamo Entertainment.
This is on Suliwa. Manjati tamiwa. Baleti shaka fike. Monga mulungu amaja pao. Olo amashimika now. Baleti shaka fike. Monga mulungu amaja pao.
This sounds like a Zambian song for real. Like, it's uniquely Zambian genre. I don't know what they call this genre in Zambia. Is it like dance hall? Zambian dance hall? What is it? It's beautiful, man. If you listen to old Zambian music, you'll hear this kind of beat.
Kwanza tamneze libensa pato neze na pea cheimos. Kwanza tamneze kudya kamozi na yo fudu yo sakwana. Kumbona mu nyumba yo sasira. Kusoba na piro yo samira. My grandfather, my grandmother, my hero manga vanisia. Bayawe, muliwa kuluhe. You turned my life around. Bantu twalia basulwa. Bayawe.
Yo, I mean, I'm hearing a little bit of here and there, but I see the video as well. And then he said his grandmother and everybody left him, but God turned his life around. Maybe the people that were supposed to take care of him didn't do a good job, and they were kind of, I don't know, treating him badly because maybe he wasn't their son, I think. It's like similar stories, man. If we can all sit down and tell our own sad stories, I feel like we'll just cry, because I have kind of similar-ish stories and how God turned my life around.
You turned my life around. Yahweh, when you say yes, nobody can save your toto. Nobody can say no. Nobody Yahweh, when you say nobody can save your toto. Nobody can say no. Nobody Baleti shaka fike. Monga mulungu amaja pao. Olo amashimika now. Baleti shaka fike. Monga mulungu amaja pao. Olo amashimika now. Final say. Nimwe kamulina. Final say. Story angari mumanja mwana mbuye. Final say. Final say. Nimwe kamulina. Final say. Story angari mumanja mwana mbuye. Final say.
Oh,
But
man.
it's all night. What if you feel one pity with it? Nelo na ruwa ruba mwadi nchingiride. Mweba mwana mweba mpususha mufingi nimwe. Tapa becho nalande chota mwaka fikirishe. Say I've been through flame, tried by fire. You fixed my brain and my desire. You picked my pain, the vibes is higher. Times is finer, yeah, Hosanna, Abba, Father. Muli Abraham, mwene moukulu mushi. Muli Devi, kanavesa, intungulushi. Muli so, mwadi mwene mopona. Muli nebo, mwadi mwana momo.
All power belongs to I.
Hey.
Listen to the Suliwa. Manjati tamiwa. Baleti shaka fike. Monga mulungu amaja pao. Olo amashimika now. shaka fike Monga mulungu wa majabao Olo wa mashimika nao
It's funny. The story of the song and the beat is like you're supposed to dance, but then also if you're listening to this message, I guess you can get encouraged that, you know, the life was bad and then it got turned around by God. But still, it's like, do I dance or do I just like sit down, take all the message in and like make sure that it's not repeated? Yeah. Beautiful song, by the way. Beautiful story as well. Yes, can say no.
Nobody can say no. Nobody
when God says yes.
Nobody can say nobody can say no. Nobody
Chamo Entertainment.
Yeah, beautiful Nell Slater, man, all the way from Zambia. Big up to Nell, big up to Zambia. You guys are doing really good. The videos, the music. Yeah, like I said, that's one of the biggest artists out there. So he has many, many good songs like that. I think his songs, man, they have most of his songs that I've listened to, they have like a message of like prayer, woman, strength, and stuff like that. It's just beautiful music and beautiful videos as well. So go check out Nell's YouTube page. You will enjoy all those beautiful songs and, you know. Yeah, if you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side. If you want to see a song from Malawi,